Welcome sports fans, welcome back again to another video, guys. As you can see, we're here on the road, you know, with a familiar face. You guys would have seen our feature and display. But today, we're going to switch it up a little for them. Let's talk to the people.
Something different. So people, this is, a new feature to our channel. This is the first video of a series again. And this one is called This or That Sports TV Versus Challenge. And this So This or That Sports TV a lead. Then the penalty round, now is a draw. Look at Barney Bridging.
Actually, now I'm going to see if top beats. Right card.
Ready? Yeah. I'll try to go straight down, nigga.
People, we try. I tried it. Top bins are off the post and in miss. So the penalty round draw. Up to the next one.
Alright, so people, as you can see, the keeper Jomar managing to save on Romeo got 3 penalties.
And
I should be in the Premier League, guys.
Man, I'll never get close to one of them, you know. I'll lucky him get lucky on that penalty.
Obviously, them send a keeper, so we never get a chance to kick. But look how that's the we did not look. Bad penalty. I can go and stop this.
The second challenge now, it's a one-on-one with the shot stopper again.
You know where that go.
But the creative part again. Now if you score from inside the box, 1 point. Not no special. But if you score from outside of the box, anywhere you score, whether I'm leak it or a big goal, 3 points.
It's not going to leak in it for the goal I got for big. It got to be a big goal, isn't it? Yeah.
I bet you say, I'm going to say, we're intimidated because he's not the just one.
What is the excuse? By the way, that's outside of the box.
Outside of the box. What is the excuse?
That's out.
Anyways, we have VAR. Outside of the box. 3 points.
People, you have a bad day. You have a bad day so far. Oh look, how much of getting the pros? Make you know.
My final chance. Gonna take the ball in the box because I'm winning already. Gonna try chip. Third challenge now, it's a touch challenge. So we're matching up our touch, you know, the journalist touch against the professional athlete's touch, right? So we'll fire in the ball to the opponent, and if you can kill it with 1 touch, that's 3 points.
First, make a throw it up to each person. You're good to them. First up. Oh! I don't know, no. I'm not getting a point. I'm not getting a point. That's Sports TV time. One more than a game. People are embarrassed yourself. But we are trying, right? That's the move. Yeah! It's not making no crack in the rough. It's not making no crack.
Yeah.
Brother, I never say broke my foot. I say pass the ball.
Yo, people, when you see how I keep my ball, and if you're hard man, him control it, him a height. But you can proper pass to him, he can't control. Some man on a touch, you know.
I feel like the next person's challenge. I feel like we have a try to get a pass. Hey, probably Simon. We bring Simon on the road.
The pass is them big chopper. Big chopper. Ready, go.
I feel like someone lose the control challenge. But that's it, go. At the end of the day, it's the actual football.
Alright, so people, as you guys know, them say me a keeper, so I know how the certain challenges. But the fact still remain, I'm the best baller on this side of sports TV. And this is why. Up and over the wall. Oh.
Why? People, we plan the video. I'm going to say, Joe Mar, you'll be the keeper. But still I try come short. Why you do this?
Watch out now.
No, come on.
Man, real quick. I'm offshore people them say. I'm a pram push thing, you see me? Real quick. People.
Come on.
Up and over the wall. Oh. You know, say me I keep them good still. And I scale of 1 to 10, professional ball. How it look? What more can I ask?
Alright, and the final one, this is the bonus round. We are going to try and recreate Romeo Guthrie's best goal. That's the volley shot against Mullins United. So you think we can recreate that one then?
Give that try.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah,
Far post, heads going up. What a strike! Romeo Guthrie! To the far post, heads going up. What a strike! Romeo Guthrie!
Alright people, so that was a very fun one. You know, I haven't broken a sweat in a long time, Rush. You know, it feels good to be back on the pitch, it feels good to be keeping goal again. See, a rusty man, I thought I held my own, you know, and I thought I showed them up sometimes with the feet as well. But with that being said, it was a good challenge, you know. Big up to Arnett captain for giving us the time because he's a busy guy. You know, he's a busy guy and him take the time out, so bless up in a Guthrie. Rush, you want to walk them through how it go?
Peeps, so you guys saw the challenge. And what I want you guys to do, let us know. How do we match up against the professionals? Now, Joe Mar in goal. Oh, him look. You feel like him could have played in the Premier League? Rush against Guthrie. Let me know him look. You see me? The touch kind of embarrassed, but I saw it go. Yeah, it's a good one. You know, this is the first of a series though. Versus challenge. We are going to be, you know, running against track athletes. You know, playing some more football. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. More fun content on this side of Sports TV. But before we close it,
the maths, people, the maths. Don't feel like so because I'm up on the road and when I'm in the studio, it means I'm not going to forget the maths. Because that now go happen. People, if each and every one of you guys can get us 5 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that get, Rush? Guthrie, tell the people them to like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, I don't want you to subscribe to this and that Sports TV show.
Alright. Anyways, this was This and That Sports TV.
and we're out.